Okay, here we are on a new project to show what I'm doing. So this is the garage, got my tarp down. Yes, I need a new one, but that's that. Drop cloth, so everywhere we walk, everything is protected as good as we can. We'll drop cloth along here. Drop cloth along here, everywhere we walk. And drop cloths around the area working. So here's the backsplash I'm going to be doing. I have my protection material here for the countertops that will go down, get taped down, stay down for the duration of the project. The drop cloths, pick them up, put them down at the end of each day. Whatnot. Sometimes I'll put down the export or ram board on the floor here, but in this situation, all the ins and outs, it'll be better just to use the drop cloth. So, okay, so this is what the backsplash looks like on this project I did. This is actually from a couple years ago I did this project, but that's what I do on most backsplashes is I put down a like a cardboard type material. Sometimes I actually use cardboard. That, export, or ram board is the top three I'm usually going to use to put down on the counters to protect them while working on the project. That all said, the countertop protection will stay for the duration of the project. And if I'm using drop cloths on the floor, I'll take them up every day and sweep as needed to keep the the homeowner's house as clean as possible. And in some circumstances, I'll put down a ram board or export on the floor and tape that down, depending how long the project is for, and leave that down versus using the drop cloths. I have to go down and come up every single day. And if they have carpet, I usually use a self-adhering plastic that goes down on the carpet, and depending how long the project is for, that's good for about 3 or 4 weeks. Don't ask me how I know that, but every 3 or 4 weeks, depending how long the project is, I have to remove that and put new plastic down. But regardless, this is how I protect my clients' homes when I work on a project. And if there's going to be any dust on most projects, I'll set up some zip balls of plastic to keep the dust down to a minimum. Hope you enjoyed the video.